There may be something that they may have experienced with another project manager, or maybe they just don't like you. I don't know what the point I'm trying to drive is. You have to get to the root. I've dealt with difficult stakeholders, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like it. It's frustrating. It's irritating because it's like we're all here to do a job. Why are you making the job? Why are you making the project harder than it has to be? What do you need, or do we just need to get rid of you? I've gotten rid of stakeholders if they became to a point where it's been unmanageable, meaning unmanageable as far as they are taking away the spotlight and the direction on the team is going. That's when I take it personally, because now you're messing with the team at a point of you're getting them distracted. When you get the team distracted, now everybody's all over the place and it looks bad on you as the leader of that. So what I recommend again is developing a communication plan that's tailored around each stakeholder preferences, scheduling regular updates, and utilizing persuasive communication techniques to emphasize the importance of their input. What does that look like? Because I know people are like, what do you mean persuasive communication techniques? One of the things that I do is when there's a problem that we need to solve collectively, that we need to solve, I don't go in my silo and meaning go by myself to go and solve it. I come to the team and say, hey team, we